Now we'll talk about dynamic chart. My question to you guys from this, who is the student who has scored highest? Who is the student who has scored highest?
Prem.
Prem.
Did you answer Prem looking at the chart or looking at the table?
Chart.
Chat.
Can you tell me chart in Prem which application Prem has scored highest?
ML.
ML.
Did you answer that looking at the number or looking at the chart?
Chat.
Chart.
Tell me who is the lowest scorer?
Nishant.
How much is scored?
208.
208.
And
Not eight.
which subject Nishant is doing really good?
Python.
Python.
Python. How did you know this?
Chart from the chat.
By looking
Can
on
you,
the
can you
chart.
imagine, guys, looking at these numbers, you cannot take decision. But looking at the chart, you can take decision so quickly. Now that is where visualization is very important. What visualization I'm going to complete today, it's just the basic step towards visualization, understanding it. But when you go to Power BI class, we'll be doing n number of charts, visualizations based on the data and the series values. Then you can perfectly stand strong saying that, yes, sir, I can do anything. I can assure you one thing. The moment you complete Excel, SQL, Power BI class, you yourself is ready to get a job. But that job will not make your future a very high paying job. You have to add machine learning skills. You have to add GNA agentic AI skills. You have to add LLM ops, ML ops, so that you can demand, if you are standing today to ask for 5 lakhs per annum with Excel, SQL, Power BI, you can start demanding 20 lakhs per annum if you have ML, if you have GNA, if you have agentic AI. Is this clear to all of you guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, what we will do here, we'll be moving on to the next. We want to do the same charts. Now, let me take the name from your batch or maybe the same name which I have it here. I'll go for creating a chart. How can I go for creating a dynamic chart like this? To create this dynamic chart, I will select this data. I'll move on to insert. I'll go for creating as a 2D column chart. When I create a 2D column chart, does it make sense to read properly? Everyone, can it be compared Excel, SAS, Python, machine learning with the total? Is it looking good?
No, sir.
So what I'll do here, I will say select data, reverse, switch row and column. It will go to the column. This will go to the rows. If I do so, the chart is coming like this. So chart is coming Nishant, subject wise score, then Nishant's total score. But still, do you think this data looks perfect? Is it looking
No.
perfect? No,
No.
no. What I'll do here, I will say change chart type. In this, I will choose it as a combo chart. You know what, guys, I'll do it here. I'll be choosing this as a clustered column. I'll also choose a clustered column. I'll make it a secondary axis. Does it make sense to all, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Now, this is total score within the range of 0 to 400 coming. But the value which is coming for the score is 0 to 120. That's why it is going above this. So you can go to this axis, format axis, try to make it to at least 250. So now it will fall behind this. Select this total score, format data series, reduce the gap width as much as you can. We have done this now, everyone. Are you getting this here?
Yes.
Now what will you do? Select this, format chart area, do it as a rounded corner. Now what I'll do first, select this here, format, choose the background color to black color, font as white color, choose this outline to make it to 6 point. That's it. Soon after created this chart, go to this chart title, call this student performance chart. What do you call these guys here? Students performance chart. Selecting this, you can add data labels. Selecting these data labels, you can go to home to increase the data labels to this, make it to 14. Select this data series, format data series, make the data series color as a gradient. When I say gradient, with what color? I want to go for gradient field with a red color. So now to make this red color, I want to make this transparent to almost like 85%, or maybe, yes, it is 85%, and a gradient stops. I just reduce like this. Done. Soon after I created this, I created my chart. Now I can drag this down to present it, then select this plot area. I can reduce the plot area like this. Are you getting this, guys? How to go for getting the plot area? Now,
Yes,
the
sir.
clever people, what they do, they go here and they hide this. What color they will choose here, guys? To hide.
Black.
What color they will choose
Black.
here, guys?
Black.
Imagine you created your chart now. Select this legends, format legends to the top so that you can do a quick comparison about the student's performance. Yes or no, guys? Select this here, all the student name, make it to home, bold, and increase the font maybe to 11, and choose this color of the font should be yellow color. That's how. Or yeah, or you can go for making to white color. It is also fine. So that's how you are going to show your chart to your friends. Is this clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes,